Hi everybody, and welcome back to Flexmonster Pivot Table and Charts. We continue to talk about how to interact with the component via the keyboard in our accessible mode. We remind you that to turn it on, you need to press the Shift key 3 times. In the previous video, we told how to move the fields on the grid, and in this one, we will tell you how to configure a slice through the field list. The initial slice contains the category field in rows and the price field in measures. In the final slice, we want the color field in rows, the category field in columns, and the quantity field in measures. All further actions will be performed only via the keyboard. On the lower right corner of the screen, we will display the keys that are active at the moment. Let's start. Use the Tab key to select the Fields tab on the toolbar. Then press the Enter key to open the field list. First, we will add the color field to the rows. To select the color field, use the arrow keys. After that, open the context menu using the Enter key. Select the Move to Rows and press the Enter key. Cool, that's the first step. Now we will add the quantity field to measures. Select the quantity field with the arrow key and open the context menu with the Enter key. Press the Enter key again to move the field to values. The next step is to move the category field from rows to columns. Use the Tab key to select the category field and press the Enter key to open the context menu. Select Move to Columns with the arrow keys, then press the Enter key to apply. We are almost done. All that's left is to remove the price field from measures. Use the Tab key to select the price field in the values box. Open the context menu via the Enter key and press the Enter key to deselect the field. We've configured the slice. Now let's save our configurations. To select the Apply button, you need to go several elements back. For that, press the Shift and the Tab keys simultaneously. Then press the Enter key to apply and save the slice. That's it. Now you know how to use the accessible drag and drop feature in the field list. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.